So under the grounds of betrayal of public trust, I am filing an impeachment for President Marcos. And hopefully, Congress will remove him soon.
Ganyan talaga yung no? I mean, nobody's preventing him from doing that. Kung gusto niyang gawin yan, di gawin niya, but I don't think he's going to get very much support. To be honest, Kasi ako lang, wala akong makita kung anong pwedeng gamitin na ipag-impeach si President Marcos.
But ma'am, before po itong plano niyang pag-file ng impeachment complaint, he's also calling for the president to resign because yung corruption daw po ay dito sa Malacanang nanggagaling. Ano pong masasabi ng palas?
Mahirap po kasi magsalita ng walang ebidensya. Madaling magbintang, madaling magsabi kung ano-ano. Kung walang ebidensya, hindi dapat paniwalaan.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Welcome back to the Crocodile Farm. Absent ulit ang mga buhaya, nagbakasyon na. At may surprise ulit ako sa inyo. It is the Marcos impeachment complaint. Amyaw. So under the grounds of betrayal of public trust, I am filing an impeachment for President Marcos. And hopefully, Congress will remove him soon so we can start investigating those involved in the flood control anomalies. Bye-bye, Marcos! Bye-bye, Marcos!
Tinapla ng ilang leader sa Kamara ang plano ng paghahain ng impeachment complaint ni Representative Kiko Barzaga laban kay Pangulong Marcos Jr.
Ng House Leader na hindi makakakuha ng sapat na suporta ang balak ng paghahain ng impeachment complaint ni Representative Kiko Barzaga laban kay Pangulong Marcos. Sa panayam, sinabi ni House Deputy Speaker Ronnie Puno na bagaman walang nagpapawal o nagsisigil sa kanyang gawin ito ay hindi ito makakakuha ng suporta mula sa mga mambabatas. Kung si Puno rin ang tatanungin ay wala siyang sisita na pwedeng magpatalsik sa Pangulo. Nakalakda namang talakayin sa Kamara na ethics complaint ng NUP laban si Barzaga matapos ang kanyang naging asal sa Kamara. Paliwanag pa niya na hindi naman criminal court ang komite, kundi daan para maprotektahan ng Kamara sa mga maling kilos o asal ng mga miyembro nito.
Well, alam mo, ganyan talaga yung no? I mean, nobody's preventing him from doing that. Kung gusto niyang gawin yan, di gawin niya, but I don't think he's going to get very much support. To be honest, Kasi ako lang, wala akong makita kung anong pwedeng gamitin na ipag-impeach si President Marcos. Wala talaga, because I think honestly he's doing a good job. He is bringing up the correct issues, and he is determined to find the solutions in the issues that he has raised. So ano yung i-impeach mo dun? Pero siyempre, kung may isang tao na gustong gawin yan kahit na walang base, hindi mo mapipigil yun. But I don't think it will get anywhere. Palagay ko, wala siyang makukuhang katulong dyan. Meron hearing on Monday, yung final namin na complaint against him. Ang nagpadala na rin sila ng depensa nila, Alam mo, ang depensa niya is freedom of speech, yung mga ganun siya talaga, yung mga ganun, Alam mo, ang Ethics and Rules Committee hindi criminal court. It is a vehicle for the House to protect itself against misbehavior by its members. Diba? So hindi siya makukulong kung guilty siya sa Ethics Committee, Maybe may reprimand, may pagsabihan, ganyan. Pero kasi yung ibang mga ginawa niya na pinagreklamo namin, parang sinasabi niya na karapatan niya yun. Actually, karapatan mo yun as a citizen. Pero hindi yun ang behavior na ini-expect from a congressman. Iba yung expectations from the average citizen, kaya iba yung rights ng average citizen, which is freedom of speech, yung mga ganon. But when you enter the House of Representatives, you are expected to hold yourself to a certain level of behavior, And kung walang ganon, wala na, magkakagulo na lang tayo dito. We are expected to act with a minimum level of decorum, diba? And with respect to our peers, ganon. So pag wala yun, then we have to seek redress, no? And that's what we are doing now. Kasi sabi mo nga, tuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayon every time may opportunity siya, kukunan niya somebody on the floor. That's not expecting to be put on public domain, no? Hindi naman siguro tama yun. So we will just pursue that complaint kasi para malagay sa tama yung kilos ng lahat dito. Lagyan naman ng dignidad yung House of Representatives. We represent our districts. Kailangan we have to behave accordingly. Di ba?
Panuorin natin ang pahayag ng palasyo tungkol sa plano ni Barzaga.
Ma'am, may we just get your reaction? Cavite Representative Kiko Barzaga is eyeing to file impeachment complaint against the President. Nakarating na po ba ito sa Presidente, ma'am?
Makarating o hindi makarating, ito naman po ay trabaho po yan at saklaw po yan ng House of Representatives.
But ma'am, before po itong plano niyang pag-file ng impeachment complaint, he's also calling for the President to resign because yung corruption daw po ay dito sa Malacanang nanggagaling. Ano pong masasabi ng palas?
Mahirap po kasi magsalita ng walang ebidensya. Madaling magbintang, madaling magsabi kung ano-ano. Kung walang ebidensya, hindi dapat paniwalaan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Follow-up question from Ivan Mayrina, GMA7.
Yusek, how does the palace or how does the president view these moves by Congressman Barzaga? He said he will file an impeachment. He called for people power to oust the president. He called for the president's resignation. While the congressman's ways may be unconventional, he is certainly getting a lot of attention. Is Malacanang paying attention?
Sa panahon ngayon na marami pong ginagawa ang Pangulo, hindi po pinapansin ang mga ganyang klaseng usapin. Busy ang Pangulo sa pagtulong sa mga kababayan natin, maraming trabaho para maiangat pa ang Pilipinas, hindi para ibaba ang dignidad ng ating bansa.
But again, is the president paying attention to Congressman Barzaga?
Just a smile.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog, bunyog.